Have you ever felt that you have discovered the most unique city in the entire world? I'm so happy that today I can share with you my top places to visit in by far the world's greatest city of them all, and this is Singapore. For those who don't know me, I am Adrian from TravelandTellno1, a channel born from the passion of traveling, a channel born to inspire travelers like you to travel more, to explore the unknown, to take that extra plane ticket, to make traveling a priority and transform traveling into a lifestyle, because what brings you more satisfaction than traveling? I have to remind you to click the subscribe button below this video. This will help me produce more videos like this and to show you more incredible destinations to travel. In today's video, we will discover why Singapore is such a fascinating city, why it's my #1 city, and I've been to pretty incredible cities such as Hong Kong, Tokyo or Dubai. I will also share 5 things you need to taste in Singapore, so stick with me till the end of the video. So without further ado, let's start exploring top 10 places to visit in Singapore, the most fascinating city that you will ever see. Shortly after landing on Changi Airport, you will understand that Singapore is not an ordinary city. Changi Airport is currently rated the world's best airport by Skytrax for the 7th consecutive year. Best point to see Jewel Fountain is Canopy Bridge, with a cost of 8 Singaporean dollars, approximately €5. The bridge is suspended 23 meters above ground and it has a glass bottom at the center portion and fog emitted at both ends. Another €3 will allow you to visit Canopy Park, located at the topmost level L5 of Jewel, welcomes the young and young at heart with an array of exciting play attractions.
We are now going to Gardens by the Bay.
Gardens by the Bay was part of nation's plans to transform its garden city to a city in a garden, with the aim of raising the quality of life by enhancing greenery and flora in the city. By discovering this park, we will understand why green surfaces reaches levels of almost 50% of Singapore. Super trees are the 18 tree-like structures that dominate the garden's landscape, with heights that range between 25 meters and 50 meters. Cloud Forest is one of my favorite attractions, features a 42 meters cloud mountain accessible by an elevator, and visitors will be able to descend the mountain via a circular path where a 35 meters waterfall provides visitors refreshing cool air. The Flower Dome is the largest greenhouse in the world, as listed in the 2015 World Records, at 1.2 hectares and replicates a cool, dry Mediterranean climate. It features a changing display, the flower field and 8 other gardens, namely the Baobab, Succulent Gardens, and so on. Marina Bay Sands is an integrated resort fronting Marina Bay in Singapore owned by the Las Vegas Sands Corporation. At its opening in 2010, it was built as the world's most expensive standalone casino at 8 billion Singaporean dollars including the land cost. Little India today is one of Singapore's most vibrant districts. As you walk down Serangoon Road and neighboring streets, explore their mix of Hindu and Chinese temples, mosques and churches. Step into one of oldest Singapore's Hindu temples, the Sri Veeramakaliamman temple dedicated to the goddess and destroyer of evil. The island is accessible by Sentosa Express monorail or by cable car. Formerly used as a British military base and then a Japanese prisoner of war camp, the island was planned to be a popular tourist destination. Palawan Beach has a suspension bridge linking beachgoers to the most southernmost point of continental Asia. Is a historical riverside quay in Singapore located within the Singapore River Planning Area. Clark's Quay is also the name of a road along the quay, part of which has since been converted into a pedestrian mall. Also, amateurs of food and nightclubs will discover here 5 restored warehouses where they will find plenty of restaurants and nightclubs. The Merlion is the official mascot of Singapore, depicted as a mythical creature with a lion's head and the body of a fish. And when the night falls, the city gets alive. Chinatown is my favorite place when it comes to taste traditional Chinese food or to buy souvenirs of all kind. Here are 5 tips on what you need to taste while you are in Singapore.
Cheers! I have this fried fish lure, man. It's really good for only like €2.
A lot of you know my passion for durian fruit. When I came home, I brought my colleagues chocolate with durian, and I can tell you a lot of them were disgusted by the taste, and not to tell you that the entire floor was affected by the smell. Singapore is such a unique city, and I encourage you to visit it as it is the city of the future. From Singapore we flew to Manila, and I can tell you the best is yet to come. So be sure to subscribe my channel and see you in the next one.